Hey, how's it going? Well, I'm working on my '05 Sportsman here. Needs a wheel bearing. So I started taking it apart. I wasn't going to video this, but I figured why not, because I've seen videos where, they put the bearing in the freezer, then they heat up the strut, and it just drops right in there. So, you can't always believe everything you see on YouTube, so I'm going to give it a try, and I thought I'd video it. So here's the old bearing. I popped it out. First I tried to just bang it out, and I took the C clip out, snap ring, and then I just banging it out and it wouldn't really come out. So then I heated up the aluminum here, and it came out by banging on it. Wasn't really easy, but it did come out. So like I say, I've got the bearing in the freezer right now. So I'm going to let that bearing sit in the freezer, and when it's ready, I will video trying to put this bearing back in. Okay, so I'm going to try and put that bearing in. I have it in the freezer. I'm just going to take this ball joint cover off so I don't melt it. Let's go get the bearing. Okay, let's see if it drops in. Wow, look at that. It's true. It's true. It actually just dropped right in. Nice. So all I have to do is put the snap ring in, and it's done. It actually heats up pretty fast. Okay. Thanks for watching.